Hello, this is Shanghai Temax new wholesale products. Push open mechanism PM15. And you can see this is the head, the mantle cover, and the body, and this is the plate. You can screw this wheel to install wheel. And for the head, we have two kinds: plastic head and the magnetic head. The function, you can use the hinge and the slit if you need the push open function. And this is our packing for this. And you can see function as this. This is the front and this is the back. Also, our products pass the 50,000 pieces open and closes test. You can feel free to send me inquiry. It is the safe close, and it is our safety function, and you can easy use. You can check our push mechanism used with the hinge. This is our push open mechanism, and this is our hinge. Push, close, push, close. Thank you.